Hello and welcome to KSG India News Bulletin. Here are the important news updates. Starting with Vaibhav Summit inaugurated. Prime Minister inaugurated Vaishvik Bharatiya Vigyanik Summit on 2nd October 2020. The Vaibhav Summit is a global virtual summit of overseas and resident Indian researchers and academicians and is being organized from October 2nd to October 31st. Vaibhav Summit brings together scientists as well as researchers from the Indian diaspora. Moving on to the next big story, potential treatment for COVID-19. The ICMR, in collaboration with a Hyderabad-based biopharmaceutical company, has developed highly purified antiserum prepared by injecting inactivated SARS-CoV-2 in horses, which can be a potential treatment for COVID-19. The ICMR and Biological E Limited Hyderabad have developed highly purified antisera raised in animals for prophylaxis and treatment of COVID-19, the Apex Health Research Body said. Next story is RACE 2020. The Prime Minister will inaugurate a global virtual summit on artificial intelligence, RACE 2020. Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Social Empowerment 2020 on 5th October, according to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The summit is scheduled to be held from October 5th to 9th and is being organized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Niti Aayog. Lebanon and Israel agree to talk on sea border. Lebanon and Israel have agreed to open their first negotiation on non-security issues in 3 decades, a rare if limited breakthrough between hostile neighbors that are technically at war and have no formal diplomatic relations. Talks aimed at ending an enduring dispute over their maritime boundary in a patch of the Mediterranean Sea rich with natural gas are slated to begin this month, official from both countries said. Now you can crack UPSC Civil Service exam with KSG India. You can study and prepare by sitting at home by joining KSG India online classes. Log on to ksgindia.com and join the new batch. On our website, you will get organized daily updates in a concise and exam-oriented way. Informative editorial of the day focusing on the current issues. Fortnightly gist of the important news and monthly digest of important current issues. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to KSG India.